Hey everyone, how you doing? Well, look at all this. And I'll bet there's guys out there that have 2 or 3 times this. Mavic Pro. 2 GoPros. Chargers. My TurnsPro panning head. Various parts and accessories. All the power cords. My 2 tripods. These Mactrem Tripods, they're pretty good. Some of the reviews indicate they're a little lightweight for DSLR or cameras. For a GoPro, I found out they're working great. This little guy here, the Munchkin, he's going to come in real handy. It goes to 21 inches. This one here, 55. If you want any more information on these Mactrem Tripods, I'll have a link in the description below to Amazon. We're hauling this stuff around, man. This is work. And then I have my portable charging station briefcase. Okay, so I had a duffel bag or 2 that I kind of packed some of this all in, so at least I then just had 2 bags to haul around. So I was looking into some options as to somehow combine this all down one bag. Enter the Stanley rolling workshop. I wasn't sure which way I was going to go. You know, originally I was thinking maybe some kind of a rolling suitcase or even a rolling cooler. Well, I was at Walmart one day, and in the tool area on an end cap was this Stanley rolling workshop for sale for about $25. It is a 2-piece case. Undo the latches. And the top part, which is a standalone toolbox, lifts off the bottom. In the top part here is where I have all of my GoPro stuff. In the bottom part, where I store all of my drone stuff. Once it's together, has a flip-up handle and decent wheels. The wheels here, they have a hard plastic wheel rim and a slightly softer rubber tread cap. That's kind of interesting for something of this price point. Now they make a 3-in-1 design, and you can see here on the latch possibly that there is actually another catch here, and then the one that you're using here for the 2-way. So there's another section that would sit in between these two, and basically that was a screw, a nut, and bolt bin that fit in between these 2 sections here. They did not have that 3-way version at the Walmart that I was at, and I probably wouldn't have gone that route anyway, as that would be another piece to have to worry about. And plus I have that zippered cord holder pouch. So that's what I was maybe thinking about, is the 3-way with that nut and bolt bin. That might be a good place for extra quick release clamps for your GoPro and so on and so forth, and cables and all that. That might work out pretty well. Okay, on Amazon and on Walmart, the reviews for this are not that stellar. And really, for such a lightweight piece that it is, when you've got 50 to 75 pounds of tools in here, I could see this being a little flimsy for that application. I've only have about 25 pounds of stuff in here between the drone and the GoPro and batteries and everything. And it seems to work pretty good for me. Once you get it in the groove there, make sure it's in there solid, and get those latches up there. I've taken it from the house to the truck, to the house several times, and it works just fine for me. I can actually carry it like a toolbox. There you go. Oh, yeah, about 25 pounds. Or I can even carry it with the handle, because as you saw in the other pictures, I had my tripods just looped over this handle. Anyway, well, that's what I found, and for right now, it's working really good for me. It's $24 at Walmart. It's a little bit more on Amazon. It's the Stanley Rolling Workshop, and like I said, they have a three-piece that may be useful for some of you in certain applications. Over the Thanksgiving holiday, I actually used this in a real-world application up at a friend's house, and it worked really well for me. I didn't do any drone flying that day, so I was able to leave the bottom part in the truck and then take the toolbox part off, which contains all the GoPro cameras. And like I said, organization, a place for everything and everything in its place, and this one's really going to work out well for me. Thanks, guys.